In this question, there is a chain which is making a circular loop, and the complete mass of this chain is 3 kg. The length of this chain is 1 meter, and this chain is rotating with a rate of 5 revolutions per second in a horizontal plane. So we have to find out the tension in the chain, and we have to also state the fact that why this tension would develop on the chain. So first of all, let us assume that there is a small element of this chain, this element is making an angle of d theta. So there would be a force of m. Let's suppose the mass of this element is dm. So dm r omega square, and to balance this force, the tension will be developed, and this tension will balance out this force. So we have to draw this diagram, and I'm amplifying this diagram. So let us suppose that this is the chain, and this is the element. This angle is d theta, and this half angle is d theta by 2. Now this will be the tension T, let's suppose, and this will be the tension on the other side, which will be T. And a force of dm r omega square will be acting on this chain in the upward direction. Now this angle is 90, this is 90, and this is d theta by 2. Therefore this angle will be 90 minus d theta by 2, and this angle will be d theta by 2. This will be d theta by 2. So the component of the tension in the downward direction will be 2t d theta, 2t sine d theta by 2, and this will be 2t sine d theta by 2 will be balancing dm r omega square. Now for small angles, this sine theta is approximately equal to theta, and therefore this is 2t into d theta by 2, and this is equal to dm r omega square. Cancelling this 2, so this is t into d theta, and this is dm r omega square. Now this dm will be equal to the mass of the chain divided by its total length into this length of the arc. So length of the arc will be r d theta. So the total mass is, let's suppose we are making a general formula. So dm is this, and therefore t d theta will be equal to m by l into r square d theta into omega square. So cancelling this d theta, t will be equal to m r square omega square by l, and if l is equal to 2 pi r, as this chain is making a loop, then this tension will be equal to m into r omega square by 2 pi. So this will be the tension in the chain. You can remember this formula directly, and you can use it in the questions. Now if we put the values which are given in this question, So T will be equal to M is 3. The length, the radius can be calculated by 2 pi r is equal to L. L is 1. So r is equal to 1 by 2 pi. So r is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. So there will be 4 pi square. And omega is equal to 5 rps rotations per second. So omega is equal to 5 into 2 pi radians per second. So this is 10 pi. So omega is equal to 10 pi. So this is 100 pi square. So T will be equal to 75 newtons. Okay, so you can remember this formula directly for exams. Thank you.